it's recording.
Okay.
Ew, ants are going in here. What the hell? I sound like an ant. Look, it's brownies. It's brownies. It's Hazuna brownies. I'm gonna start saying that.
Let's have a brownie fight. Yeah. It's like hair. Ew, there's like hair. It's not my hair. It's good. Oh.
There's a really hot guy in a tennis court, and he's like over there. Let's go spy on him. He's like, why does the hot tub look? Is it because of the light or people's been peeing here? Look at that. It's a perfect place for a jacuzzi. Oh, it's a spider.